In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. We'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you've just installed Visual Studio Code for the first time, you'll be able to follow along and set up your very first project folder. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. You should see the main window with the menu bar across the top. This bar contains options like File, Edit, Selection, View, and so on. For creating a new project, we're going to focus on the File menu. Move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, look for the option that says Open Folder. This is the command Visual Studio Code uses to treat a folder on your computer as a project workspace. Go ahead and click on Open Folder. A system window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files and directories. Here, you can either pick an existing folder that you want to turn into a project, or you can create a brand new one specifically for this project. If you'd like to create a fresh project folder, navigate to the location where you want it to live, such as your documents or desktop, then create a new folder through your operating system's file dialog and give it a clear descriptive name, like My First vscode Project, or something related to what you're building. Once that folder exists, click on it to select it. After you've selected the folder you want to use, confirm your choice by clicking the Select Folder or Open button in the dialog window. The wording may be slightly different depending on your operating system, but it will be the main confirmation button. Visual Studio Code will now load that folder as your workspace. On the left-hand side, in the Explorer panel, you'll see the folder name at the top and any files or subfolders inside it. If it's a brand new folder, it will be empty, and that's perfectly fine. From here, you can start creating new files, writing code, and organizing everything within this project folder. And that's all there is to it. By clicking File, then Open Folder, and selecting a folder, you've successfully created and opened a new project in Visual Studio Code.